Welcome to the buying presentation consultation prepared by Claudia Monasterio with LPT Realty and Chase. My name is Claudia Monasterio and I am a 100% real estate professional since 2006. I have excellent negotiation and sales skills. I am a licensed realtor. I have been certified as a savvy selling specialist with the Mayshore Real Estate Training Group. I am certified in real estate negotiation. I am certified expert listing agent. I'm a Bold graduate 9 times. I am a member of the National Association of Realtors. I'm a member of the Florida Association of Realtors, a member of the Realtor Association of Miami. I'm a certified realtor commitment to excellence. I am a Chase Agent Express with Chase Bank. All buyers that go through Chase get a credit of $1,000 after they make their purchase. My education, I have an associate's in arts and communication studies and professional interior decorating. I speak English, Spanish, and Portuguese. Here are my designations. Okay, what's your first step? Your first step is to have a buyer's consultation. You have to meet with a professional real estate agent. In this case, meet with me. In this meeting, you are going to ask all your questions. I need you to ask me questions, and I want to answer all of your questions to clear every doubt that you have for you to feel comfortable and confident with the process. Also, inform me what's important to you. I need to know, how can I help you better? What's more important? How many kids you have? How many pets you have? Can you walk up the stairs? Do you prefer first 1 story, 2 stories? You need a pool, a fence, a yard. I need to know all of this. I need to know if you would be able to remodel a house, or you want the house to be moving ready. I need all of the details. I am here to help you and guide you in this process and find the right home for you. I'm going to give you a 7 Homebuyer Strategies magazine. It's going to be my gift to you. Here, you're going to get strategies such as making sure you're putting your best foot forward. You're going to learn how to shop around for home insurance, request an audit of past month's utility bills, understand fixed costs you can't fix. You're going to learn how to make sure you get the best mortgage deal. You're going to learn how to find ways to use seller contributions to save, and make sure you are negotiating for the right things. Your step number 2 would be to get a loan approval or approval of funds if you're a cash buyer. If you are going to need a loan, here you're going to have to meet with a lender. My question to you is, do you have one or not? If you don't, I can refer you one. And next would be to send this lender your tax returns, bank account statements, proof of income, W-2 or 1099s. They're going to also look at your credit. After having all of this together, your loan will provide a loan approval letter. When you get this will be like taking your wallet to the mall. This will tell us how much you will be able to afford to purchasing a home. And then you're going to sign the exclusive buyer agreement with me. Number 3, you're going to determine your home criteria. At this point, you are going to have told me the type of property that you're looking for, the area, and the price. The price, we're going to get it in your approval letter. Next, we're going to schedule homes showings. I recommend up to 10 favorite homes, and I would also recommend looking at homes during the daytime. That way there is going to be little traffic on the road and lots of light to be able to look at the details on the property. There are also online viewings, virtual viewings, and you could also drive to the area to see if you like the community. After this, you're going to select a property that you like, the best one, the property that you would like to purchase. And here I'm going to write the contract. And the contract, which will be the offer, will have the offer price for the property. I'm going to make a market analysis for the property, and I'm going to tell you what prices property can be sold at. And then you're going to, when the contract has been signed by you and the seller, has been accepted, you're going to be required to make a deposit, which is called an escrow deposit. This deposit is going to be made into a title company, into an escrow account. Question for you is, do you have a title company? If not, I can refer you one. And my title company includes a real estate attorney. For the same fee you would pay a title company. Then the contract will have an inspection period, which is up to 15 days. It will also have a closing date. I recommend 30 to 45 days for closing. Step number 6 would be to make your escrow deposit in the title company. Here, after you do your deposit within 3 days of getting approved by the owner, that means being under contract or getting under contract, the title company will give you an escrow letter which serves as a receipt. Step number 7 would be to schedule your inspection and get your inspection report. This has a fee of around $500. Question for you is, do you have an inspector? If not, I can refer you one, and you select the inspector. We're going to make an appointment with this inspector, which is going to be licensed. Here we're going to you're going to have to order the 4-point inspection and the wind mitigation inspection, which are required for your home insurance. Here you're going to also pay the inspector, and he or she will send you the inspection report the same day or the next day. After we pass the inspection period, you decide to move forward, the bank will order the appraisal. The appraisal costs between $500 to $750, and you're going to have to pay directly through the bank. The bank will also lend up to the appraised value. The appraised value of the appraiser, he will give a number, a medium number, based on the properties comparable to the subject property that have been sold within a year. Step 9 would be for the bank to work with underwriting, and they're going to ask you for conditions, and your job here is to clear these conditions with the bank so that they can get ready to close. Here, a very important recommendation is to not apply to any credit cards or open new credit, because if you do, it will affect you and you might not be able to get the loan. This is super, super important. Do not apply to any credit cards, open new credit, or use your credit. Step number 10 would be to do your walkthrough. The walkthrough is you make an appointment with me, and we go to the property and we make sure that the seller's already moved out and the house is in good condition. This walkthrough, we're going to schedule it a day before your closing. And here you're going to get ready for closing. In August 2024, there has been a change in real estate law all buyers must sign the pre-touring agreement and the buyer's exclusive agreement representation when working with an agent. This is an example of that pre-touring agreement. And here, do you have any questions for me? Please give me a phone call. Let me know. Send me a text message to 954-667-3698. And if you haven't already signed with me, my question to you is, do you want me to represent you as your real estate agent? If you do, there is a small closing fee of $7.95 that goes to LPT Realty. I'll do all the job from beginning to end to make sure that you have your home keys. And if you decide to hire me, or if you have hired me, here are my duties to you. I'll represent you, your needs, and your best interest. This includes being loyal, confidential, and disclosing relevant information. I will educate you on the buying process, including legal and real estate terms. I will negotiate with the seller's agent on your behalf. I will be present for your property inspection, and I will go over the inspection report, and we will go over the inspection observations and red flags to best protect your needs. I will be providing references such as lenders and home inspectors. I will be handling the paperwork, such as drafting and submitting offers. I will be available after the post-closing to ensure that you receive the closing statement and warranty deed, and that all lock boxes and signage are removed from the property. And here is my offer to you, a 100 satisfaction guarantee. I also have a 5-star review. Here are some of the reviews that I have received from the people that I have helped, which I am very proud of. Very proud of everyone. Here's how to contact me. Give me a phone call or send me a text message to 954-667-3698. And to get more buyers information, this is my website, Claudia Monasterio, realestatehomes.com//buying-a-home. Let's get social. Here are my social pages in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Spotify. I am here to help you. Thank you for your time. I look forward to assisting you in your real estate needs, and I can't wait to see you in your new home. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in the first property in our home touring.